turn passenger.
This should be pretty interesting.
Alrighty guys, we are rolling up. We got a client call for the 2nd gen Tundra, and it looks like there's a fiasco of Jeeps. I bet you this Jeep improperly tried to pull out the Tundra and got himself stuck, and maybe the other Jeep was gonna pull the other Jeep, but we're gonna get a situation analysis here. Sunk the crap out of that thing. Oh yeah. Good, about yourself? Yeah, just a little bit. What was your name?
Josh.
Josh, John, nice to meet you.
Man.
We love these things, man. I have the exact same truck.
Yeah,
5.7 Crew Max. The back seat's so big on those things. We love them. You can, dude. I tell people it's the only full-size truck I found in the back seats recline.
Yeah.
Have you guys know about that? So cool. All right. Yeah, they're heavy though, especially without a lot of lift or tires. Yeah, you guys made it pretty far though, all considered, you know,
well,
so.
I was down low, as you can see, and then when I tried to come up this way, I just ran out of momentum and I couldn't get it back up. So.
Yeah, probably be best for us to just go forward.
Okay.
Whoa, yep, it's got the hook. So what I'd be able to do is I have.
You got stuck trying to pull me out.
Yeah.
We're like, we'll call you.
We ain't gonna do that. We're gonna get it out of here. But I have the bridle I can hook up to it, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna get in front of him. There goes the Jeeps off on their way. Let the Toyota rescue the Toyota. Oh. So yeah, I got a bridle I'll hook to the 2 front toe points, and I'll put a Yankum, basically kinetic rope on it.
Okay.
It's got some bungee in it, and that should help us get it up. And then honestly, it's up to you. I can get you in the ruts and set you free, but I don't want you to get stuck again. Right. So I can just leave it on, and we can take, if you can see that yellow lifeguard big tower down there, I can just take you there and we'll get you on the concrete, get you out of here.
That'd be perfect.
Awesome. And then yeah, I'll just have you in there. 4 low probably, but you're gonna wanna feather it. You don't want too much because it's got power. It'll just wanna sink them. But you wanna feather that way we can get it up and get it moving.
Awesome, man.
Whoa.
Then we'll just stay, like you said, hooked up to all the way down there.
Yep, mine as well. Make things easier. And if you guys go, the storms have brought this red sand up here. You can literally see the difference between kind of the white sand and the red.
Right.
And it's super shelly, and these heavy trucks, they just sink in it. So what I tell people, if you go down, I know y'all are just visiting.
Yeah,
but
we're not getting back on the beach.
That's fair. if you're ever back, if you go down, you won't have an issue.
Well, if we're ever back, we're gonna have 2 or 3 inch lift on it.
There you go.
Some bigger tires.
There you go. That's what I like to hear. Yeah, I got my personal one is on 37s, and it does pretty good out here. We actually we use one of these for work too. It's on 38 by 15 and a halves. And we're about to go to 40 by 15 and a halves. But it does good. You just got to make up for the weight with, you know, surface area.
Right.
Alrighty. We're ready to rock and roll. You'll just be helping me out, feather it some, and we should be able to get her up and moving and get out of here. That's how Toyota does it, baby. Come on now. Just like that, baby. Get over here! That's actually my first one, believe it or not. I know. I honestly expected it to take me a try or two, but that went great.
I've got relatively impressive tires,
yeah. I appreciate it. You guys make sure you rinse that thing off. You know how them Toyotas are with rust.
Oh, for sure.
Get up under there with the hose, but these things are awesome, man. Keep it for a while.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. All right. Hey, you guys have a blessed day, okay? Bro's multitasking. Yeah. Tell him in the comments, guys. He's supposed to focus on the camera work, not the equipment. See ya.
Soon after.
I'm gonna take care of him for free real quick. Yeah, I told him if he let me get a video, since he was a cool guy, I'd take care of him. I appreciate you watching out for your fellow Jeeps, though. He was scared no one was gonna help him. I was like, someone will get you. All right. What was your name, man?
Sean.
John, nice to meet you. All right, we'll just hit it with the classic. I am gonna run straight bridle, no nothing. Bam. This off here, bam. Yeah, that is one of our locals. I'm a little bit surprised he offered help, but good on him.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get a little bit more straight on you and I'm gonna pull it like almost at a 45 there. Just see if you can turn that wheel a little bit towards me. You won't be able to now, but keep some pressure on it. Are you in 4 low?
Yep.
Okay, just a little bit of gas.
Got it. All right, give it some gas. Well, turn passenger. There you go. Passenger.
Oh yeah. Just like butter, baby. Did you? It dug that tire, that front tire, hard.
Oh yeah, I did.
All right, man. You should be able to fit around me.
Appreciate
Hey, have a good one. All right.
Sure. Thank you.
Little Toyota, getting out the little Wrangler. See ya.
Following Thursday.
Alrighty, guys. We were doing a little lap down the beach and we stumbled across a 4x4 Sprinter van. It'd be pretty interesting. This thing's sick.
Oh yeah, this thing is awesome.
What's up? What's up? How you doing? Good to see you.
Officially met you.
Fair enough. Fair enough. You know, John Jr.
Right.
I'm basically just a small copy paste. Heard a lot about you. Good thing. So we appreciate everything you do. What's up, man? What's your name?
Matt.
Matt. John. Nice to meet you.
And I know y'all
Alrighty.
got it, so I'm out.
Sounds good. We appreciate you. So it's 4x4, isn't it?
Well,
Oh, yeah.
it's all-wheel drive.
Man, I could pull it from the back, but the problem is that ramp's closed and we don't really have a lot of space. So I think honestly what's gonna make more sense is hook up, I can get a bridle to your front control arms and then get a kinetic rope on it, and we should be able to get you moving, and I can take you along the edge here, and then if you want, there's that yellow lifeguard tower, I can just get you out of here. Then you ain't gotta worry about it. And if you guys are out here, I recommend you go south. You won't even really need 4-wheel drive. Like you won't have an issue at all. You'll be just fine. the tide comes up and cleans it all out, but here it gets all nasty and soft. And then basically I'll get it hooked up. Well, all I want you to do is once it's ready to go, get in there, load everybody up, put it in drive, and you're just gonna wanna keep that wheel straight with me and give me a little bit of gas, and we'll try and see if we can get it moving, all right? Okay, man. I think that, no. Oh, it's Gen 2, I forgot we got the fresh 30.
Yep.
I definitely want 30.
Yeah. You're gonna need it for this.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Let me put my winch lines away. I just realized I have the winch line out on this Ando too. It's a no-no. Heck yeah. Yes, that's an awesome spot. Oh yeah, we love Kelly Springs. Yep, that's a really good spot. All right.
I feel weird whenever I go out of town and I'm somewhere landlocked. I'm not used to that. Growing up here, I'm used to the beach being like 10 minutes. Yeah.
Landlocked. I bet you're like, man, I gotta get out of here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Alrighty. So I think our game plan will be, I'm gonna try and get you out at first and we can take it kind of where the sand gets white there on the high side, and then we'll stop and pick him up if we get it out, and then I'll just go ahead and assist pull you. So you'll just, help me keep some traction or tension on it, and we'll just slow cruise all the way down and then take it nice and wide and get it up on the concrete for you, all right?
Okay, buddy.
All right, sweet.
Oh yeah.
Did you start crawling out the window thinking you were gonna catch it or something?
Honestly, I think I lost slip and I was like, oh, I can go farther out the window.
I'm dead as hell. That's so funny. Heck yeah, man. Good stuff.
Thanks.
Heck yeah. All right. Make sure you rinse that thing off real well before you return it. Get all that sand out from under. They'll never know. They'll never know. All right. Hey, have a good one.
Hey, have a great one.
Ta-da! There you go, guys. Got the 4x4 Sprinter van out, and we out. See ya.
Subscribe to Sand Help.
There you go, baby. Like and subscribe to Sandville. Don't forget.